The life of Prophet Muhammad, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, is a remarkable story of guidance, compassion, and transformation. He was born in Mecca in 570 CE and received his first revelation from Allah through the angel Gabriel at the age of 40. Over the next 23 years, he received revelations that would become the Quran, the holy book of Islam. Prophet Muhammad's sallallahu alaihi wasallam life can be divided into two main periods. 1. Mecca, 570 to 622 CE. He faced persecution and ridicule for his message, but remained steadfast and patient. 2. Medina, 622 to 632 CE. He established the first Islamic community, implemented justice and equality, and oversaw the growth of Islam. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was known for his mercy and forgiveness, wisdom and leadership, humility and simplicity, love for his family and companions, unwavering dedication to Allah's message,